Hello! In this video, we will see how to export from Colors Tester and import your color palette into Sketch right now. Okay, I just logged in. Now I want to choose one of my palettes I created before. I did some researches. I will choose my pop palette. My pop palette is interesting because of the colors I chose, but also with the white I chose, I want to consider the export of the opacity of that white because it was part of my research. We can see this opacity at 0.6 alpha, which is 60%. We can clearly see that the alpha is not at the maximum. I want this to be considered as well. To import it later, I will export it right now in SVG. You will see later why. Here we are in Sketch. Unfortunately, Sketch doesn't allow you to import color palettes directly from a file. Also, we will import it from the SVG we just exported from Colors Tester. This SVG includes all the colors from your palettes. We will focus on the line below. The line of colors above is mainly for information purpose. Also, we will choose the colors by hitting Fields and add it to our document. Ensure that we are in Document and just click the little plus next to the document file. We will do it for each colors one by one. Especially when we reach this white, which has opacity, 60% of opacity. This opacity, you can find it back here also in the alpha. And we won't use the eyedropper just for one single reason, because the eyedropper would simply pick the color that it catches. Also, by doing this that way, we will ensure that the alpha is well maintained. Now we will apply these colors to our document. We will choose to add the background color, and next to it we can also add the foreground color based on the color we just imported. We can try it out with the white with opacity, or choose any other color, of course. We can even play with the gradients. And once you finish, you can remove the SVG file. The colors will remain in your document colors. Also, you can use them later. That's it for this video. You can access all these functionalities by buying a subscription of 3 or 6 months to the full version of Colors Tester. Thank you for watching and have a colorful day.